we are going to this place. So keep watching because at first we travel before we can come here. This is a Floriworld where a lot of things that you can see inside the buildings. Very nice building with different colors of flower. So I will show you the place, but before that, we have to travel first. Road trip muna tayo. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are traveling. We pass by in the Binilux Tunnel. At the top, it is water. There's so many tunnel here. I think we passed 3 tunnel. We go somewhere, and I will show you the road here in the Netherlands. We also pass by in the Schiphol, the airport, international airport. So this is the tunnel. And this is the road here in the Netherlands. So we are on the way. It is, I think, maybe 1 hour drive going to the Floriworld. So I just want to show the place because I'm not always coming here because it's a little bit farther. So I just take a video so that I have also a remembrance one day, because I'm not always coming here in this area. It is only once. If you visit in an event, it is only once, especially if it is a little bit far. So I will show you the place. This is the road. Until we reach to a place where we want to see. We pass by also Rotterdam. It's cloudy, so that's why you can see a little bit dark because this week the weather is sometimes cloudy, sometimes sun. So yeah, and we pass again to the next tunnel. So this is the tunnel, Kittel Tunnel. So they have a different, in each tunnel they have a different types. So this is also the tunnel. At the top, it is water. So it's a little bit longer, this tunnel. So mauni ang Netherland. Nganong naa siya'y fence in each side para dili siya saba sa mga balay sa likod ana na may mga balay para dili saba. Kay saba baya ang highway, di ba? Saba ang truck. So gipangutangan nila og fence like this o og sa pikas para na siya dili saba sa mga balay kay ang likod ana mga balay man. So magbisaya sa ta. So inana sila diri ka kuan sa ato wala man na. Diri layo-layo man ang mga balay so wala sila ipamutang fence. Only this one. This one napod sila gibutang. Basta naa sila gibutang nga mga fence sa karsada between, meaning naay mga balay ana sa likod. So para dili saba tangan nila og fence or koral dili ba saba sa mga tao nga nagpuyo sa likod. Sa ato kay wala man. Diri, inana sila diri. Unless kung distance ang balay, so dili nila butangan o koral. Para na siya maka-prevent sa mga kay kasagara saba man basta highway ang mga truck maglabay saba na siya. Unless kung distansya siya gamay. Dili nila butangan og fence. So inani ang Netherlands mauni siya sa amo lang nga naagian ha, sa amo lang nga naagian. But we are not yet going to really in the center of Amsterdam. We just only pass by. We pass by in the ski pole. We are near because you can see the plane there. So another na napod sila every time nga naaga ni fence, meaning na mga balay ana. O mo ni pod ilang train. Past train. Ang uban manggod ani nga mga video ako lang gipangkat-kat. Ang uban wala na kong ipang butang na tanan kay taas na kaistanan. So, we are near, I think, we are near in the ski pole. As you can see, there is an airplane. We just passed by in the Ski Pole International Airport. It's nice also to see other places. How the road looks like. So, mauni siya ang among giagian. Oh, again, I saw a plane because we are near in Schiphol. That area. We just only pass by. This area is, I think, a company, I think, store. Yeah, I think, yes. We just passed by here. It's quite a little bit longer drive. I think 1 hour or more than an hour. And we pass again the Waterwalk Tunnel. This is another tunnel. So it is a little bit longer also. So at the top, that is water. So we pass by 3 tunnels before we reach to the place where we want to go. So we are almost near. This is near the place where we want to go, the water drinker. We are near, so I will show you. In this place, you can see a lot of flowers here, where the auction flower, where a lot of flowers and a lot of stores will come here and they do auction of flowers, plants. So in this area where we want to see, we want to go, I mean. So they come here, and then of course thousands, because different kind of store here in the Netherlands come here and they buy flowers, plants, then auction, they do auction kung tagpila. So it is here, it's a little bit farther, but it's nice to come here also to see the place, because this is my first time seeing this place also. But it's nice, I think, if you can see also a lot of flowers. But usually people who come here doing business, like they buy how many thousands of flowers or plants and they sell it in their store. So this is the area I'll show you, because we are roaming around because we don't know which place is that where we go. So we're just roaming in this area. All the flowers and plants are here. As you can see, a lot of tin-wheelers, truck, big truck. Here, flowers, or more are flowers. So I think it's nice in person if you can witness. I don't know if they allow it, because most of the people coming here, they will buy and bring it to their stores. Like for example, the tulips, it also come here. The tulips also, any kind of flowers or plants. So we pass by in this area, and we have to look around until we can find that place. It's quiet because it is Monday. No, it's not Monday. It's Sunday. Sunday, I think. It's not Monday, Sunday. So we are now here in this building. As you can see, the building, different colors, representing different colors of flower. So we stop here and we go inside to that building. So I will show you the place, and let's walk and see the place. This is the building where we go inside and see. This is a Floriworld. They call it Floriworld because it is really flower. So this is the entrance, Floriworld. This is the whole building. In my next video, I will show what is inside, what we see there inside. But first, the place, maybe you want to come here. It's nice here. So we park first the car and then we go inside. The building is attractive because of the color. The color. That is the color of the flower. And we go inside. That is the inside.